Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you about design pattern, right? So in this video we cover these fine, right? What is design pattern? What is difference between design pattern and algorithm? Because most of the time might be you are confused about design pattern and algorithm, right? And because on high level definition, both are looking like same, but these are a different thing, right? Next one is what is importance of design pattern? This is a also very important question. And last one is a when we use design pattern, right? So first we start with what is design pattern, right? So design pattern are well-proved tested solution for commonly occurring problems and tasks in software design that is accepted by millions and trillions of people in software industries, right? So design pattern gives you the tested solution for a particular problem. So we don't need to think about this is a best idea to implement this problem or not, because this provide solution that is accepted by millions and trillions of people, right? So we don't think about this solution is a best one or not. So design pattern also provide you ready-made the template so that we can customize this template to solve your problem and achieve your goal, right? Design pattern not a specific piece of code. It is a general concept to solve a particular problem. Most of the time, we are thinking about design pattern gives you some piece of code that is used in your programming to solve a particular problem. So now design pattern not gives you any piece of code, right? Design pattern are independent of programming language like algorithm. Means design pattern is a not dependent upon any programming language. It is a independent of programming language. Means design pattern is applicable in all programming language like C, C++, Java. Right. And next one is what is difference between the difference between the design pattern and algorithm. So before start the difference, first we have to know about algorithm so we can easily differentiate between design pattern and algorithm. So algorithm is a step-by-step instruction, command, action to solve any particular problem. What is instruction, what is command, and what is action? In simple word, we can say each line of your program is a instruction in form of computer programming language, right? Same like as command and action, right? So algorithm is a step-by-step instruction to solve any particular problem. Algorithm always define clear set of action, command, instruction that can use to solve your problem or achieve your goal. For example, suppose we want to add the two numbers, right? So we have write the algorithm of addition of two number. So in first line we have write take two input from user. So we have declared two variables, right? In second step we have add this two variable and store the result in another variable. And third instruction is just the print the results. So sum of two problem we have on the three command, three action or three instruction. First instruction is on the take inputs. Second instruction is on the add these two number and store into C. And third instruction is on the print the value of the C. So so algorithm gives you a step-by-step instruction to solve your particular problem. Design pattern gives you high-level description of a solution. So we can say design pattern is a superset of algorithm, right? So design pattern is a high-level description of your solution, but algorithm gives you what is a step follow to achieve your problem. Design pattern define a structure of your problem, where the algorithm define behavior of the problem, right? Design pattern help you to manage your code in extendable and maintainable way where algorithm help you to find efficient or best implementation solution of problem. Suppose take one real-time example. Suppose we want to go from one place to another place. Maybe there is a several routes to go from one place to another place. But out of all routes, maybe one route is a very efficient, right? Very convenient for you. So in programming language, to solve any problem, maybe there are multiple solutions, right? To solve a particular problem, right? So how they have identify which solution is a best one, right? So in programming language, use algorithm to find the solution is a which solution is a efficient or which solution is a best on basis of time complexity and space complexity, right? So another example, design patterns are corporate structure like work hours of employee, the culture and review process, right? But algorithm are the work that employee does. Same like as human body is a design pattern where parts of the body is a algorithm. This is all about what is difference between design patterns and algorithm, right? Next one is a very important topic. Why design pattern is a important, right? So design pattern gives you common language so that you and your teammate can use to communicate more efficiently, right? What is meaning of common language? To take one real example, suppose there is a two person and one is a know about English, another is a know about Hindi, right? Suppose they want to communicate with each other, so this is a very hard to communicate because one is know about English language and another is don't know about English language. So communication between these guys is a very difficult. Another example is suppose two guys and both are know about English and both are know about Hindi. So in this case, the communication between these two guys are very easy. So in design pattern, same like in design pattern gives you common language, right? So you and your teammate can know about this thing, right? Suppose you say, hi Abhishek, use singleton design pattern for its implementation. Suppose you talking about any requirements and your senior is advise you to solve particular problem, use this design pattern. If you know about this particular design pattern, so it is very easily understand the an idea behind your suggestion. No need to explain what is singleton design pattern if your teammate know about singleton design pattern. So design pattern are also used for speed up the development process by providing testable development solution, right? So during development of your application, if you implement a design pattern, so at that time don't think about this idea is the best or not, just focus about the implementation. So your development process is then also a speed up. Design pattern increase reusability of the your software program. Suppose we have designed your application is well proof and tested by help of well proof and tested within the solution. So we can use same same solution in another part of program as well. So here we can increase the reusability of your software design. Design pattern is also help you to define and design a better software architecture design, right? And last one is when we shall use design pattern. This is also a very important. Till now, I cover what is design pattern, what is algorithm, and what is difference between design pattern and algorithm, and what is importance of design pattern, right? Uh, right now, I explain when we use design pattern, right? Basically, design pattern are used during the analysis and requirement phase of software development lifecycle. As you know, any software design first start with the requirement and design. During the requirement analysis and during the design process, we have choose the better design pattern to solve this particular problem. Because at time of gathering the requirement, you know about the what we want to achieve. So at that time, we use design pattern, right? So this that's all about the design pattern algorithm. What is the difference between design pattern and algorithm, and what is importance of design pattern, and when we use design pattern, right? Thanks for watching the video. Don't like to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you.